Dear children, I once again welcome you all to our G Square Math channel. Hope you may be enjoying these trigonometry videos. Today again we are going to continue this height and distance problems. In the previous two videos we have seen this different types of trigonometrical problems where the height and distance are used. Now again we are going to continue the same thing. Today we are going to take the NCERT books problems only. Let's take the seventh problem from the NCERT book, exercise 9.1. It says like this: from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meters high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So that means a transmission tower is standing on the top of a 20 meter high building. This is a ground level. And this is a building. Over and above, there is a transmission tower. The observer who is standing here, AB is a building and BC is a tower. And the man who is standing on the same ground level, D, he is observing the bottom and top. As 45 degree and 60 degree. Once again, let me repeat. On the top of a tower building, there is a transmission tower standing. In the figure, AB is the building and BC is the transmission tower. The bottom of the transmission tower is B and the top of the transmission tower is C. A man who is standing at the point D, he is observing the bottom and top. This is a 20 meter height. You are asked to find out what is the height of this transmission tower. So you are asked to find out what is BC. So write a small narration about this picture. Let AB be the building, let BC be the transmission tower. The position of the man is D. And we are asked to find out BC. That's all. So there are two triangles. One is DAB and another DBC. So let us take from triangle DAB at A. You know what is the significance of this? DAB is a right angle triangle at the point A. So tan 45 is equal to AB by DA. AB is already given, there is a height of the building 20 meters by DA. And we know tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to 25 DA. This implies DA is equal to 20. So, the man is standing 20 meters away from the building. Now let us take another triangle. From triangle DAC at A. DAC, A is 90 degree and this is 60 degree it is. So tan 60 is equal to AC by DA. Therefore, AC is equal to, and of course you can get it, AC is keep it as it is and DA we already calculated as 20. So therefore AC is equal to 20 into root 3. Tan 60, therefore AC is equal to 20 root 3. The value of the tan 60 is root 3. So this is second equation. AC is equal to 20 root 3 from the ground level we are calculating. But we are asked to find out the height of the transmission tower only. We can find out only BC. Therefore, BC is equal to AC minus AB. AC is equal to, now we calculated 20 root 3 and AB is already given 20. Take 20 common out, root 3 minus 1. You can stop the answer here itself if the root 3 value is not given. If the root 3 value is given as 1.732 in the problem, go ahead and substitute. Here in the problem it is given, I think. Yes. It is given 1.732 minus 1. Therefore, the final BC is equal to 20 into 0.732. That is 7.32 into 2. Just multiply 4, 6, 14. So the height of the transmission tower BC is equal to 14.64. That is what asked. Let's go to another problem. This again is CBC problem. Problem number 9, the same exercise, 9.1. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So there is a building, there is a tower. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So ground level, there is a tower, there is a building. Let AB be the building and CD be the tower. The height of the tower is given as 50 meters. Yes. If the tower is 50 meters high. Now, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is C. CD is a tower. This is the foot of the tower. From here he is observing as 30 degree. And the top of the tower from the foot of the building. This is the foot of the building. The top of the tower is observed as 60 degree. You are asked to find out what is the height of this. So let us write, let CD be the tower whose height is 50 meters and let AB be the building. From the foot of the tower C, the height of the building is observed as 30 degree and this is 60 degree. You are asked to find out what is this height. So there are two triangles. Two right angle triangle and write and use the trigonometry ratios and you will get the results. From right angle triangle, ACD at C, where this is 90 degree. Similarly, this is 90 degree. From triangle ACD, this angle is given 60. So tan 60 is equal to DC by AC. That is 50 by AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 50 by tan 60. We know what is tan 60, that is root 3. Therefore, AC is equal to 50 by root 3. Then we can rationalize this. First equation. Take the another right angle triangle which is available in the figure is ABC from right angle triangle CAB at A. At A is a 90 degree. So tan 30 is equal to AB by AB is the height of the building which you are asked to find out by AC. So then keep it AB itself. This implies AC is equal to AB by tan 30. Therefore, AC is equal to AB by tan 30. Tan 30 value we know 1 by root 3. So that will go high up and AB root 3. Equation 2. From 1 and 2. First equation and second equation. From 1 and 2, as the left hand sides are equal, the right hand sides are equal. 50 by root 3 is equal to AB root 3. Just cross multiply. 3AB is equal to 50. Therefore, AB is equal to 50 by 3, that is 1.666, etc. etc. So, the height of the building is 16.6 meters. Let's take another problem. Yeah. Hope it is clear. It's again a CPC problem, 10th problem. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other. On either side of the road is 80 meters width. There are two buildings of same height. Let AB and CD be the two buildings standing just opposite on either side of the road and whose height is same. Two poles, sorry, it's not a building, it is a pole. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meters width. This is 80 meters. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Let E be the position of the man. He is observing the top of this building as well as this building. Buildings of the same height. Here he is observing a 60 degree elevation and here it is a 30 degree. As it is closer, the point E is closer to A, this angle of elevation is more than this. That's what I have taken this as 60, this as 30. And find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. So So now you are asked to find out what is the distance of the road. Distance of the road is given, and you are asked to find the height and the position of E, where it is. We don't know where it is. It may be here, or it may be here, it may be here, or it may be here. What is the distance between this E from A as well as C? So let us calculate. There are two right angle triangles. One is EAB, another is ECD. So from right angle triangle, EAB at A, tan 60 is equal to H by AE. This implies AE is equal to H by tan 60. So therefore AE is equal to H by root 3. Equation 1. Now consider another right angle triangle. From right angle triangle, ECD at C, tan 30 is equal to CD by EC. CD is equal to H and EC is equal to, if total distance is 80 meters and we have taken this as, you can keep it as no problem, EC. So this implies EC is equal to H by tan 30. That is H by 1 by root 3. That is equal to H root 3. Therefore, EC is equal to H root 3. This is equation 2. And so, just add this 2. Equation 1 plus 2 gives AE plus EC is equal to 80. It is given width of the road. AC is the width of the road. AC, E is in between that. So, AE plus EC is equal to 80. So, therefore, H root 3 plus H by root 3 is equal to 80. Therefore, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 is equal to 80. Therefore, H into 3 plus 1 by root 3 is equal to 80. Therefore, H is equal to 80 root 3 by 4. That is 20 root 3. So, height of the building, this also 20 root 3, this also 20 root 3. And you have to find out what is the position of this. So, in this substitute AE is equal to H is 20 root 3 by root 3. Therefore, AE is equal to 20. So, E is a point in between this road, between AC, and E is 20 meters away from A. So, this is 20 and therefore this is 60. And with this similar type of problem, lot many problems, you can see that in the next video also. Till that, you try to do the problems of height and distance and try to understand the problem and then draw the pictures. Write a small narration about the pictures and then solve that. Try to understand where the position of the man, where is the angle of elevation, whether the height of the man is given or not. With this, let me conclude this today's video, and I wish you all the best, and please like, share and subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.